I'll be starting in about a minute. Did it take you an hour to take a bath? I thought I took long baths. That's a long ass time. Unless you mean about actually a bath. Ah, that's fair. Okay, I haven't taken an actual bath in like since like 2003. Okay, yeah, that's more like it. I take long showers. I take like 15-minute showers. Okay, let's hit coding. My RO? Okay, there's my RO. Let's see, RO. Go ahead and do it like that. Okay. I still haven't done Demon. Demon just always blinds you when you learn it still. I need to actually make it a new skill. It tested in my, it worked fine until I changed maps, and then it's like, oh, you have Demon learned. Let me reset your view. Let me change songs real quick. Thought I removed this song from my playlist. Yeah, so I'm gonna actually make a brand new skill. Not a big deal. Decent drop rate, decent rates. Okay, at spawn 1905. We'll go ahead and start off in sun. Sun, and then we'll transition into night. And then back into sun. I did make a solar flare proc falling star, by the way. It was a mistake, but I decided to leave it in because it looks neat. Yeah, it does look amazing. Also, yeah. I was not testing with that number, by the way. I was testing with just comparing these two. It boosts this from 100% to 500%. It's a 5x multiplier on solar flare. Yeah, that's not that cannot stay. Oh yeah. Yeah, spawn 1905, 10. So let's go. Oh, I'm in the wrong stance. 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. It does also mean you have to get all the other skills procced off. And since they're not auto target, yeah, it only procs like 5 or 6 times. No, that's not a new wizard skill. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I can't even get it off. Let me try to take that off. Yeah, spawn, 1905, 10. Let's see, F8. I still also am not good at the class, so. I'm not sure how many procs that was. Yeah. Which was one of the reasons why I'm fine with see, 2, 4, 6. Yeah, it proc 9 times, so 0.9 seconds. So it's not a 5x DPS, it's a 9. 9 divided by 40 times 4 times 5. My math, wait, yeah. It's like a 12% DPS increase. Yeah, 12.5% DPS increase if you do both. Which isn't as absurd. Obviously, it's all backloaded, though. You can probably get it faster. You can probably get it down to, like, let's see, 8 skills. 100 millisecond delay. Actually, technically, it's only 4 skills that you need to get off. If you can get it, like, on point at 100 millisecond delay, which is not likely, that means you can get, like, triple DPS. Upwards of 4 times DPS, but that's, again, at 300 APM at, what's it called? I'm at 122 APM. At all stats. Okay, F8. Yeah, again, like 9 of them. Unfortunately, you can't spam it as hard as I do want to get rid of that. So one of the things I want to do for polish, I want to get rid of it for. Also want to get rid of it for Dragonrot as well. No. For the each sequential hit, not the main hit. So the main hit is fine. I'm talking about when I do this, it keeps. Oh yeah, we do need a name for. Yeah, the name for the class. Yeah. Yeah, that's the visual. Obviously, it's shifted slightly when you're zoomed in, but nobody plays zoomed in, so. Actually, speaking of Dragonrot, at Job Dragoon at Jade level 99 at all skills. Second skill, Hatch Dragon, and then we'll use Dragon Mantle. I'm aware, Curse Ruby. Yeah. The damage obviously starts off really low. It scales of attack now, so it's much... But it's a skill. So if I do this... It just instantly becomes disgusting. Yes, plus 10 ornament. It also looks cool. Like the visual effects, I have to say, I did a good job on it. Yeah, and then since it applies cards as well, yeah. I think Dragon Mantle just became their strongest damage skill. But again, it's shadow property, so it's like super niche. Yeah, their strongest DPS mantle skill. Because it doesn't have any other effects, so. Does wind still stun? Also, the wind description is wrong. Yeah, water's amazing defensively, and fire is really good offensively and defensively. And then earth is obviously just pure offense because of the armor shred. And hitting hidden as well. That's really a nice part of it. I saw any fakes of that. Yeah, and then that circle right there that you see with it like swirling around, that is it being applied. The apply chance has doubled as well. Give me a second. I'm gonna close my window. I hear one ninjas out there. Goddamn, no one ninjas. Okay, let me go back to Star Gladiator. Oh yeah, actually before Star Gladiator, let me go to Crusader at job Paladin. At J level 99 at all skills. Oh, there's a change in the list that's not on there. Holy Cross with a spear got a buff. It now hits 4 times with the spear. The second hit is magic damage. Yeah, so obviously I have 99 and 99 magic attack, or 99 and 99 strength, so it's a little off, but Well, it already was a Spellblade class because of Grand Cross. But anyways, sacrifice. Yeah, let's see that. Yeah, raise. 35,000 damage without crop modifiers. That's no mods. That's literally just base damage. There's not a. I don't think there's another skill in the game that does that much damage base. Obviously, it is 30% of your HP for 75% of your HP as damage. And then if you're devoted, you have devotion on, it will do half cost, only 15%. Heal is so weak. You can break sick. Yeah, you're probably not gonna be able to break it completely. Spellblade might help a lot. Tau, obviously. Tau plus brain. Tau plus runes will definitely help. But I'm again I have no runes. I have a spear on, and I think I'm level like 4 on safeguard. Oh, 6 safeguard. Sorry. Yeah. So I don't even have safeguard maxed out. I don't even have the 5% max HP from safeguard yet. Yeah, Tau is very scary, but also hitting for 70k DPS without gear is kind of scary. Okay, let's see. I was looking at triple attack because sorry, per hit, 70k per hit. It would be like 35, 40k DPS without gear. For 3 hits, obviously, then you're fucked. But one second, let me find the post. Oh yeah, I was looking for suggestions. Sorry, I started reading your post in what they called. Fine, general suggestions. Oh yeah, the triple attack applying on hit, and triple attack getting the indicator. So triple attack cannot get crit indicator as long as it's not an attack. So in order for me to make it get the crit indicator, it needs to be turned from a skill into, at least with this client, from a skill into an auto attack, which would mean reworking from the ground up. Yeah, I haven't tried on newer clients yet. Okay, yeah. I was going to ask somebody in Arthena to check for me on a newer client, because obviously I don't feel like downloading a new client, updating it, installing it, setting up a new Arthena just to test it. I did some wiki work earlier. I don't know if you saw it. I posted a bunch of. Let me go and pull up my wiki real quick. Wiki. I don't know. Can I show the wiki on stream? Add new source. No, not alert box, not media file. Window capture, add source. New source. Wiki. Add source. Chrome. There we go. Let's go ahead and lower it. Lower underneath my webcam. Thank you. Yeah, I went ahead and updated, moved the additional content to the main page. I'll let you guys do the recommended levels. I just picked levels. I know this is not accurate. I also fixed a mistake. Hortor Factory is 14.2, not 15.1. And then episode 13.2 is renewal. Brasilis is actually renewal. And then I updated the seasonal event stuff. Valentine's. Like Valentine's, I actually posted all the quest locations. I need to fix these right here still. Those are done by through the control panel. I need to actually update the image on the control panel, so. And then Halloween, which was a fun one. Oh, it looks like Temp actually finished it off for me. I just dropped a bunch of these. Yeah, all the Cat Witch ones, I just dropped their item links, their item IDs in here with the quantities. I didn't actually fill them in. I was like, Temp finished it for me. If he's here, thank you. If he's not, I'll bug him later. Okay. Yeah, I already gave him some actually. But yeah. Yeah, I want to clean up these things. Obviously, the images right here. I need to figure out who one of the accounts is. I'm not gonna load it up because it'll show IP addresses. I don't want to dox anybody. Let's go ahead and disable that. But yeah, no, it's not you. I know UD Temp. I know all you guys. Oh, you have a second one? There's a bunch from me. Others, please. Yeah, Lonely Editor. I don't know who Lonely Editor is. They did some work in December. I dislike that sort of play because it lowers the interaction of the classes. AoE auras are really powerful. They're also hidden. They're hidden power. Let me turn down my volume slightly. So, for example, if a priest has AoE blessing and they just constantly reapply blessing on anybody they've blessed around them, it means you're not interacting with the content. Like, a priest has a lot of stuff to do. Same with the sage. Like they're the backbone of a good party. Um, yeah, but it can't work as like that's one of the ideas behind Valkyrie was going to be auras. Um, Valkyrie is essentially going to be like Crusader mixed with Priest mixed with Mage, like somewhere in that. That was my original thought process on it, as you can check by the old documentation. Whether that changes or not might be completely different now, because I have a lot more experience, like 3 years later. But as for like an actual game design mechanic, it's not. I wouldn't consider it like auto attacking being the best build. Yeah. Yeah, the zealot design you did would be a decent way of handling it. Yeah, I get the aura class, like I get that fantasy, but unless you have a like look at Bard and Dancer, that's essentially what they are. Is an aura class where they constantly toggle their buffs. At least if you're a good one, you constantly toggle your buffs. Or compare that to like, yeah, exactly. Aura stackers. I know my talking to my dad about PoE because he plays it, and he had made an aura class. That's all he did was he was an aura bot for his parties, like auraing off screen and stuff like that. Dragoon has a little bit of aura in their kit. Like that's what the whole mantle thing is an aura. Water mantle is an actual aura. That actually is. You get the full benefit of Dragon's water mantle if they're applied CC though. So I don't recall that job. Dragoon. I haven't played Dragoon in a while, and I haven't played Nun Party yet. I think it gives everybody, but it's not really an aura so much as applied, isn't it? I don't recall if it's an aura or it applies it instantly. I don't remember. I think it applies it instantly, but I can. Let's see. I think my DG GRAC. Draconic. Oh, I put it as DR instead of DC. Okay. Or DG. I thought it was DG. Let me hide our real quick. Like that. Oh wait, no, that's yeah, it's Nightmare. That's what it's called. DG Nightmare. Draconic is the dragon side one. Let's see. Fire Nightmare. This skill is such a pain in the ass to work with because it's literally 5 different buffs. No, it's just a one-time buff. Oh wait, is it? Okay, enjoy your bath. Yeah, it's a one-time buff. So Okay, let me go back to. Let's see. What other changes did I make this patch? Patch notes, notepad, notepad plus over RL. Auto feed is enabled. Auto feed by default. Fimble Enter got nerfed. Bounty board got buffed. Gangster's Paradise got fucking doesn't work in event maps anymore. Dio. That's a mess. Fix a minor quest detail. Technically, this was 0. You just see if it had it in your inventory, but it would try to delete it. So if you didn't have a second one, it would cause an error message. You no longer become immune to a status effect if it ignores. So like chicken or like the chicken in Clucker's event will no longer be blocked. The stun will no longer be blocked by like wind armor. This is that bug that Teddy found, where he sold an item and it sold the +2 instead of the +9 instead of +2. I still need to refund him that. But you know, to make sure actually frostbite event. Actually, I can show you this the event. At run event. You know, at test event. Turn on debug mode. I shouldn't show you turn on Notepad++. At run event. Run event. We'll go for frostbite. At JE. Yes, yes. And then this is like a 30-second event. Hopefully you guys will actually participate in it. Awesome. Yeah, I didn't get frozen. Yeah, I didn't get frozen. Let's see what freezes me. Oh, there it goes. Perfect. And I didn't warp back to here because I died. If I didn't die, I would warp back in there. So if I do at heal at run event, let's go ahead and go in here real quick. Run event dice at JE. And it's gonna fail because there's no players. I got this earlier, delete all. Oh, I can't get mail while I'm in the map. And not enough players, so I worked back to where I was. Retrieve all, delete all. Okay. Yeah, and that should make joining events much more enjoyable. So you can now join events from wherever you are and just teleport back. Obviously, there's certain cases where it's not going to be beneficial, but I think overall that's a feature people like. I could technically have it heal you and apply the fountain buff as well, but I'd rather not do that. You can always just... Okay. Notepad++. Yeah, added the work back function. Spellblade just completely changed, as you guys probably saw earlier, that the damage I was doing. Oh, True Dodge. Yeah, True Dodge is way up in the calculation. True Dodge now takes precedent over basically everything. Fix some mining stuff. Nothing that you guys will really notice for the most part. Just fixing items that you couldn't equip or didn't have the right stats. Crusader, a bunch of changes. Grand Cross HP cost went down. It's now affected by cards. Warning in PvP, this does affect yourself. So if you have bonus damage to players, it does bonus damage to yourself. It ignores Reflect. Yeah, it moved up before Perfect Dodge. So before Flee 2 happens, it happens. I don't recall. That's a really late response to that, Teddy. Yeah, Grand Cross SP went down. Faith HP went up. It's now 5k HP at max level. I just scaled up with the multiplier on what's it called? The base is the same though, so it only got bonus. Sacrifice, as you guys saw, does significantly more damage. I can't show you devotion because I can't devote somebody. Also, as well as its damage going up, it's like cost and stuff went down. So, and Holy Cross damage went up, and Holy Cross does a second hit when you're using a spear. So, that job, Paladin, Jailer 199 at all skills, Holy Cross. Five. Oh, I still have a spear on. Shit. Yeah, so it is like 1200 damage. Obviously, I don't have attack power from the spear, so I'm gonna get like 1/6 more attack power, so like 16%. Yeah. But the second hit is magic attack, so if I do that, oh, I'm showing that int, minus 99. Yeah, the second hit basically does nothing. It's just like an annoyance at that point, but that's only if you have one int. Which I know Crusaders do like to build int a little bit. They like to have it for heal, and then for their SP and stuff like that. But you can go Wizard Lizard, just go full int, and then use a spear. I don't know if there's any int spears, so that could always be an interesting thing to add, as well as the first hit is doing 1200, and that's at 0 int. Yeah, so Spellblade. Let's see. Notepad. Acolyte. The heal damage is now increased. Before it wasn't increasing the damage, it was only increasing the heal. Fixed Lover card. I don't think anybody would have noticed this bug. Essentially, Lovers was not going on cooldown, is going on cooldown per target instead of per caster or per attacker. So if you applied Lover's Guard on an enemy, it's supposed to heal everybody who attacks it every couple seconds. Well, it would, instead of healing each person individually, it'd only heal one first person to attack. So, not that anybody was probably using it, but ammo reduction on full buster, who cares? Acolyte, same thing as, or Adept, same thing as Acolyte. Necromancer, same thing as those two. No position lag on no knockback. That one's really nice. Same thing. All the Dragon Rot changes I showed you guys earlier. Those are the new damage numbers if you wanted to read them. Fish, Water, and Wind Nightmare. Let's see. I don't think all these changes are in the notes yet. Decay's damage essentially went up. It also damages it instantly, so you can see when it applies. It's now neutral property, or non-elemental, I should say. Doom's damage went up. Its damage reduction from mobs went down, or from magic defense went down. So just damage up. Buff Binding, buff Sealing, and buff Shatter. Mercenary, yeah, fixed Black Powder, not doing the whole fire damage thing. Also, it now, like, it interacts with fire or collateral damage for the burn. So you can, like, so you can probably use Black Powder, and then a mage can hit them and apply the burn. Or I think it will apply with fire arrows, or fire bullets as well. And then it bumps the chance from 100% to 200% before resistances. And then collateral damage is double damage if they're hit by Black Powder. And then let me go ahead and go to Star Gladiator. Let's see, at job 4593, at level 99, at all skills. Okay, let's go ahead and grab Warmth. As well as buffing your professor with a fire endow. Because endows give percent magic attack with that element. Or percent magic damage with that same element. If you really want to be cheeky, you get a crit off with a professor on a firebolt from an auto attack as well, because then it'll be level 12 instead of level 10. But hey, yes, you can get a very, very nasty combo off with that. Yeah, something like, I don't know how much damage it is. I'm not going to calculate the earth property change, because whatever. Let's see, actually wait, no. It's 1200 times, because it's level 12, times 2, okay, 4800. Times 1.1. Yeah, 5280 magic attack with one. I know for a fact I removed this song from my list. I'll be looking into that later. Yeah, so getting like 5200 magic attack with one auto attack. Okay. I personally think there needs to be interaction between this kit. Oh, maybe switch my Note 5++ and RO around again. I think there needs to be interaction between the Type 1 kit and the Starglider kit. I'm leaving this to Null. Null designed this class. If you don't like it, that's what he designed. Spawn 1905. Okay, let's see. 3 hits. Yep, set mine to go. I haven't done a gaming stream in a while. I actually wanted to do one soon, but right now I'm doing a RO stream. Getting ready to. I don't have a PS5, so to answer that question, is a PS5 exclusive until it's ported to PC. So I'll play it when it's ported. It's gonna be awful. I know nothing about it. I'm looking forward to playing it. I saw like 10 minutes of like combat. Oh, is the combat garbage? Then I won't play it. Then I literally won't get it. That's why I play games, is for the the main gameplay loop. I don't play a game for the story. But bosses are solid? Okay. Yeah, I saw someone was fighting like a phoenix or something. Some sort of bird. Like the edge of a woods over a mountain cliff. That's the only thing I saw was that combat. It wasn't a phoenix. It was a bird though. Pretty sure. The map server crashes or the client crashes? If the map server crashes, you need to get a debug log and let me know. Otherwise, I have no idea. Yeah, I can't tell you with a map server crash without debug. Just run in. If you're running on Windows, run in Windows debug mode. If you're running on Linux, GDB. But yeah, I was looking forward to Final Fantasy 16, but if you're saying that the combat sucks, I might not end up liking it. I'll probably pirate it first then, and then if it's good, I'll buy it. But yeah, I don't have a PS5 yet. I do plan on getting one. Oh, if you know, Monica, if you know of any good games for me to stream, though. Certain boss or 10 out of 10. Okay, I'll give it a shot. Yeah, once it comes to PC, or if I get a PS5 before then, probably not though. I can go buy one right now, but I don't feel like spending $500. Okay, Chrono Crusade. I need to get a copy of it that works, or I need to try a different emulator. I haven't tried. I tried that. Remember that one time I tried and it like completely glitched out. I was using. Is it on Steam? 1 second. Let me open up Steam. Steam. Oh no, Crusade. Is it a? But is it a good port? Not Chrono Crusade. Wait, yeah, Chrono Crusade. You mean Chrono Cross? Yeah, Chrono Crusade's a fucking anime. I'm like, wait. Chrono Cross or Chrono Trigger? The Chrono Cross reviews are mostly mixed. Yeah, mixed reviews on Cross. Chrono Trigger. Chrono Trigger's on sale right now. View page. I'm assuming you mean Trigger. Oh, Trigger's, yeah, positive. Okay. Yeah. But nice. Yeah. Yeah, I can fucking grab that. I always upload. I upload pretty much everything to YouTube. So, yeah, I'd be down for play. I wouldn't fucking what's it called it though? I wouldn't be editing it. Are you on Linux? If you're on Linux, give me half a second. I'll be behind Notepad++. Let me go ahead and. So you want GTB installed? Okay. Thank you. I'm glad my voice is soothing. Yeah, I've been wanting to play a game. I don't know if I mentioned it when you were on stream. I know I mentioned it a couple of times, but like at the end of last year, I was gonna do a Final Fantasy X speedrun for my birthday. And then I ended up getting sick. Like, I have no idea who that is, but does it crash on the PC as well, or just the virtual machine? Oh, TFT, right? Game designer. Okay. I don't follow TFT. I don't care for TFT. So, I played it a little bit when it came out, and that was about it. I think the 2v2v2v2 mode is fun. I was having a lot of fun with that on PB. As for GDB, when you are rev, does it crash on Windows or just on your virtual machine? But yeah, Monica, right now we're in the middle of doing the Star Gladiator update. I don't recall if you like Star Gladiator or not, but they're getting basically completely reworked. The only skill that they're keeping is Union. Yeah. Yes, but is it? Okay. I wasn't sure. I haven't seen you online in a while. Yeah, Star Gladiator looks like a lot of fun. Here. Let's go ahead and switch to Fire Sun mode. So this one, well, it's basically hate, but it's just which stance you can activate. Those are the 3 fire kicks or sun kicks. Ooh, yeah. No, all good, all good. Our IRL is more important than anything on my server. My server's not going anywhere. Matter of fact, the longer you wait, the more stuff you have to come back to. Yeah, these are the. I've heard mixed things about it. I've heard they have some good ideas. I've heard they have bad ideas. Munbalance started playing on the server a while back, and like his thing is there's nothing to do, and it's just regular RO for him, which he avoids. But that's the point of the server, so it's fine. But yeah, he suggested for draw strike to do a line strike, like what's the name of the skill? Sharpshooting. And apparently he suggested that same thing to the developer of Morok, and he's like, oh, that's impossible. I did it in like 6 minutes. So like the guy, he can't be that good, but he has some decent ideas. I've been moderately paying attention. It also has a decent player base, which is a major thing that we don't have. Yeah, he's like the biggest RO streamer. He didn't stream RO for a while, Apparently somebody donated him okay, yeah, that doesn't surprise me. Obviously, I've been doing this for, God, it's 2023. I've been on this project technically since 2016. Obviously, it wasn't public in 2016, but yeah, that's what it was. Okay. I mean, I'll tell you, I actually asked Mun if he wanted me to donate to him, do a sponsored video or a sponsored stream. Call it sponsored streams. Maybe after the Necromancer rework, and then maybe after reworks, I'll have him do a sponsored stream. Just the only requirement dropping the logo at the bottom of the screen. Rav, you never answered my question, by the way. Does it crash locally as well? Does it crash on your local machine when you use the two-handed weapon? Not on the VM. Because if it does, then it's easier to test the bug. If not, I need to explain it. You need to learn how to use GDB, and that's something you should ask in the Arthena Discord. Because I'm not going to go over it on stream. It's pretty simple. Once you install it, you just compile with configured -- enable -debug equals, sorry, /configure space -- enable -debug equals GDB, and then make clean make server. And then when you actually hit run, you actually do cd location gdb space /map -server, and then run. And then if there's a debug, if it crashes, you do bt full. But that's fine. Ask in Discord though, and then also check if it does locally. If it doesn't do it locally, then it's a little more complicated. But yeah, see if you can crash it on your Windows PC, on your test environment. Okay, let me finish showing you the last set of skills, which is, what was this used for? Okay, and this is solar. Okay, now let's go over the TLDR of the skills. So fire lowers their attack and their magic attack, increases all damage they take with the element of your Warm Wind. So if you're using Fire Warm Wind, all fire damage will be increased against them. Obviously that's really good for party play. Solar Flare, afterwards it does the burning aura like you saw before. I'll explain the bottom skills after the end. So and that's the burning aura. The damage is a little awkward right now because I have Spellblade on. Okay. The moon stances, which is level 2, are AoE. So warmth lowers their APM and movement speed. Anger raises your APM and lowers their movement speed. Let's see. Yeah, so you went to 248 movement APM, and then once that wears off, yeah, so you got like 32 APM, which isn't terrible. And it's the same reduction, so and then Lunar is just bonus damage the lower your HP is. So if I do add heal minus 30k, 30k, it does more damage. And it's AoE, so at spawn 1905 10. Oh yeah, and all the yeah, so then there is solar, which I forget what this one does. Oh, this one's supposed to be ranged. That's right. I forgot that needs to be ranged. I need to change that. So it should be flying sidekick into root into falling star, and falling star does that star that you saw. I'm supposed to actually trigger 2 more times. And then every kick you do after the star will then apply, what's it called? Oh, drop another star. These are transitions. This will transition from these to this one. This will transition from those two to this one. And likewise with this one, it'll transfer from either of these into this one. These are trans skills. So you can transition from one to the other set. The passive effects of each stance is every 5 seconds they get a buff. For solar, it's double damage. For lunar, it heals you on the AoE. And for stellar, it is unavoidable. Let me actually go ahead and close that file. SkillDB. Let's see, SG_sun. Warmth range is 9. Let me check. Jump kick. Jump kick is 9. Okay. Let's go ahead and save that. Yeah, reload skill DB. Okay. Okay, now this should be a flying sidekick. Oh wait, is it limited in? It might be limited in the client. I might have it restricted on the client side, meaning it won't actually kick that far. Whatever. But yeah, every 5 seconds you get a bonus effect on these. Celestial Fortune is a passive. Every time you use a kick, you get a stack of a bonus. You can't see your stacks. And that's used for all these skills down here. Halo converts your solar stacks, which I should have enough. Spawn 19, spawn zombie 20. So let's spawn 20 zombies real quick, walk over here, and then we'll hit F4. And it counter kicks once. And then if I hit, oh, it's not cool then. I don't have any stacks. So let's go ahead and grab stack 9. Okay. And then if I do Halo again, if they hit me, okay, they didn't hit me. That's unfortunate. If they would have hit me, it would have counter kicked. Yeah, it's 2 seconds. So obviously, if you have a high flee like I currently do, it's bad. At AGI -99. At spawn zombie 20. Oh wait, I did the wrong fucking skill. I didn't want the sun. Oh well. Let me fix that. 4. And then Halo, counter kicked. Counter kicks AoE. And the way the damage is calculated is it does a percentage of your base attack damage. So 150% attack. Not much, but it's something. Sorry, 100 plus 50% per stack of sun you have, which is up to 7. So at max, it will do. Actually, let me double check that. I don't think it's doing that properly. SG underscore sun underscore plus. Go to definition. Yes, I do have Divinity 2 Original Sin. Fucking love, it's a great game. I was playing it with Norm before he disappeared. I also have I was playing an Iron Man. I got to, you know where? No, I do not have Pathfinder 2. In Divinity, I got to where on Iron Man. I got to where, you know, that fight where all the fucking like oil slimes are on top of that tower. So that's a really chaotic fight. I beat that fight, and then I walked into the cave to the west, and then walked into a one of those stupid that fight actually I beat just fine. I walked into one of those stupid guys on the cross that one-shot you. I forget what they're called. Where you have to use the purging wand to get rid of them. Yeah, I got hit by I walked into one of those and just my game over. It's like, god damn it. So I was doing an Iron Man solo. So it's a bunch of wood platforms like in the center with a guy on top that you need to go save. And then once the fight starts, once anybody uses any, what's it called? Any source things, it instantly summons a bunch of the slime things that are earth property, and then everything gets caught on fire. Because it's guaranteed to get basically caught on fire, and then there's fire everywhere, and those things turn into fire property slimes instead. Yeah, that fun fight. SG underscore sun underscore bless. Yeah. There's a YouTuber. I can't remember his name right now. Doesn't matter. But he's been doing like weird runs where he essentially like wins a fight with like an absurd strategy. Like cheesing fights and stuff like that, but always like an absurd strategy to like break the game. That's what I thought. It's not doing enough damage. Okay. I'm looking at this right now. Yeah, I'm missing the 50% per stack. Okay, yeah, this is all wrong. I'll need to fix this damage modifier later. I'll think I should go through and like debug it, but whatever. Back to RO. Yeah, so this isn't doing as much damage as it should be. It should be doing 350, 500% attack damage plus 190% of the damage taken as an AoE 3x3. Eclipse, it just makes you dodge attacks. That's all it does, is makes you dodge physical attacks. It's essentially perfect flee, but multiplies with it instead of adding with it. Up to like 30%? Yeah, 30%. And this one heals you. So I cast it. Oh, I need to make it check if I'm full HP, so you can't waste it. But F9. Okay, and then we'll do add heal minus 30,000. How much do you think this heals for? Did you guess 9,000 HP? Did you guess more than a max level heal? Yeah. The number itself is fine, I think, but I think it needs to, yeah. You can't. So I was trying to point to my hand, but you can't see it. So the base number, I think, needs to be changed, and it just needs to just scale with stacks. I'm releasing it as is because this is what Null posted, but I already posted in the Type 1 or Starglider Discord channel that I think it needs to be changed. Okay, so let's go ahead and get me. It's not about fun, it's about a balance in this case. I think it's just steal heal that much. I just think you should be able to stack it instead of, because as of right now, you can go. God damn it. Or you can just spam ability and then heal, and then spam ability and heal. Yeah, that's 100% be broken if it's left alone. Because it means you only need to cast one skill every 5 seconds to basically be a tank. To basically be a drain tank. Yeah, healing for 12% max HP every 5 seconds is pretty nutty. To give you an idea, that's like stronger than the Dragoon skill that heals constantly. That's like up there with like Shogun healing. Every 5 seconds. Indefinitely. You can just, every 5 seconds, 12% minimum heal. Between 12 to 30%. I just think the baseline number needs to be lower. So instead of being 12% base, it's 4% base. And then it goes up to like 28% to 30%. You can even offset it by 2, that'd be fine. Yeah, I think shifting that from up by 1% per level. So level 1 would be okay. Have a good night. Yeah, I'm probably gonna grab what's it called? Chrono Trigger, since it's on sale. I'll grab Chrono Trigger, and maybe either tomorrow or Sunday or Friday I can play it, depending on whether I'm doing a. Yeah, I don't know about Cross. But apparently, the Chrono Cross port is bad. I just quickly read through the comments. And apparently, it's a bad port. I'll look into it more though. But I'll definitely get Trigger since it has like positive reviews across the board, like 7K or something like that. Yeah, so that's my only complaint right now. That and then Solar Flare's too much damage AoE, I think. Let me go ahead and grab this one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then Solar 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, and then I can cast this. This is a complicated skill. I need to fix that color coding right there. But whatever. So at spawn zombie. Actually, wait, no. At heal minus 30,000. At spawn zombie 20. And then, yeah, look at that, look at this healing. I think it wore off. Yeah, there you go. That skill I'm fine with. And then Union, everybody knows what Union is. It's exactly the same. I can't do it because I'm not linked. Wrath just empowers. It consumes your stacks from Celestial and empowers your big hit. I think they're knocking back. I think they're getting knocked back from the pre-renewal version. Let me go ahead and remove that. What was it called? It was SG_sun_warmth. Knockback. Yeah, knockback needs to be switched to 0. Knockback 0. Knockback 0. And knockback 0. Save. And then I need to warmth of stars is not doing the jump kick part. TK_jump. Jump kick, complicated math. Jump kick. Start a C buff. Jump kick. Heal. Oh my god, those line ninjas are so loud. I don't care about the combo part of jump kick. Oh my, hide notepad plus hide arrow. Let's see, case. It's gonna tell me I get this is somewhere else, isn't it? Oh, come on, Telesense. Let's go ahead and stop server real quick. Build solution. It's gonna give me a warning saying that it's somewhere else or something. Oh yeah, so wait, that fucking belt? Okay. Let me grab this real quick. Final reference is this. This should not have worked. Yeah, there we go. I think almost everything is covered. Just might. Actually, not. Okay. It built. We'll let it. We'll let it. Run server. Start RO. Show RO again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. Okay. Oh, Chrono Trigger sale ends today. Very nice. $7 for a how many year old game? Like 20-year-old game? Let me read all the negative reviews on it while my server patch it builds. A review type 900 negative reviews. Apparently there's some bad issues with the port with Chrono Trigger as well. Oh well. No big deal. Let me open up Discord again. There we go. Yes, we have Shadow Gear. No. What are they doing? Oh yeah. Ant Spawn 1905. Mode 3. Okay, it's not teleporting me. It's range, but it's not teleporting me. It needs to be teleporting me as well. Okay. Okay, stop this. Pum pum pum. Side arrow again. Pum pum pum. We'll add it here, and then we'll do if you do damage. If you hit them, I'll move them, and then like that. Actually, we'll move this into here, and actually, do we want to separate the? Yeah, we'll separate this. Actually. There we go. Build solution. Build solution. Let's see. I need to find charge attack. Let's grab that real quick. Okay. Okay, let's go to charge attack. Okay, and then we'll do skill be equal, double equal, not triple equal. Let's see, start, tab, backspace those. There's no damage in here. Oh, there it is. Skill attack. There we go. Let's see, build solution. That should work properly now. If not, I'll need to get a copy. Ooh. Okay. I'll probably be playing Stardew later today, actually. Oi. Oh, they have the wrong icon. They're using the novice icon instead of a Starglider icon. Okay, cat spawn 1905. There we go. Much better. Now the question is, should it benefit from Spurt? Well, so is Flying Sidekick. I need to look up how to do that, the numbers. I think... Yeah. Oh yeah, its damage is way higher, so... Sprint. Yeah. It damages, Let me look up how to do that. Also, welcome back. Give me a stub, Monica. Let's see, Control F. Oh, you can? Oh, was it? Oh, that's right. You can just do the whole chat. I was thinking the on-screen chat. Sorry. Brain fart. Okay. Let's see. TK_jump. Final references. I'm actually not seeing. I wonder if those are especially like hard coded for the skill IDs. Yeah, that the animation for the attack ID might actually be hard coded. In like the cliff attack. Bum, 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 bum. Let me see. Cliff attack. I don't know. What is it? Cliff damage? Maybe cliff damage. I spelled damage wrong. Of course I did. Oh, my bad. Go to definition. See cliff damage. I'm gonna do something hacky real quick to test. Okay. I don't know if this will work. Bum bum bum. Ion. Back. Does it not? There's no skill ID in this cliff. Let's see. Cliff hallucination damage, block delay. Take item, sitting, standing. Huh. Yeah. Obviously this is SP damage, which is the blue damage that you see on some of the special skills, like I think Open Grave does it. Above 26. Client tick. No, I don't think Grassheart does. Because Grassheart isn't draining your own SP. SP damage is supposed to be blue. Yeah, this isn't actually used. Down bracket sent, blah 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 blah. Cliff. See, go to definition. Is it supposed to be like Cliff skill? Damage, take item settings, sprite. Skill casting. Skill. Is it cliff skill damage? Go to finish it. I'm thinking out loud. Okay. And this prevents walk delay. So those skills don't apply walk delay. It's a hacky way of doing it, but okay. I'll do it here. So we'll do like that. Equal SG underscore star underscore warm. For TK underscore jump kick. Skill ID. Oh wait, that's skill level. Shit. There it is. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna try that. This is very, very jank. Oh wait, I need this to be a question mark, kind of. There you go. Okay, build solution. That should just work. Right. Okay, awesome. Okay, so depending on no, not Todd Howard, thank you. My iPad turned off. Why does it work? Why doesn't it work? Yes. Okay. So at spawn 1905 F9 and yep. So that effect is hard coded into the skill name. I can work around that. Obviously, I'm not casting Flying Sidekick, I'm casting one of the stars. No. So what I'm doing is I'm hacking in the skill ID at the last second to changing the skill ID. It's the same thing I do with the Meteor Storm from Buccaneer. Name of what's it called? Jolly Roger, thank you. Jolly. See final references. Show you guys real quick on how jank this skill actually is. Yes, I actually missed it being the dance skill. Oh, sorry. I'm not even at the jank yet. Here. Yeah, this skill is so fucking, so ghetto. Yeah. It literally does Meteor Storm, and then like just tells you over it Jolly Roger. So let's go ahead and SG underscore no, not sun, moon underscore no, star underscore warm. Okay. Now to do some jank ass code. So I'm going to interrupt this right here. Switch skill underscore ID. Default. Skill ID. Break. Okay. So we're going to overwrite the skill ID of the output with flying sidekick, or with TK underscore. No, we don't use flying sidekick. Flying sidekick has some other stuff behind it. We'll use. Oh wait. TK down kick. Okay. And then we need a skill list. So we need. See, find our references. I need. Right there. Okay. Make sure there's nothing in here I don't want. We don't need blessings. The blessings will not be green or blue. Close that. Build solution. Let's try this now. And then run server, start client up for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm hungry actually. Let me get some notes down actually. I'm essentially done. I just need to do notes. Blind. Passive. Give me a skill instead. I think that's currently the only thing I'm seeing. Yeah, demon. Okay. EFST, no info. Okay. At spawn 1905. Pick a. We'll use solar, I guess. Did not work. TK jump. Kick. Close. Build. I know it worked with jump kick a minute ago, so. I also need to change. Okay, change materials from. Oh yeah. Falling stars not properly hitting 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. That spawn is a 5. The fuck? Oops, I didn't mean to close that, whatever. I don't, no, not cliff damage, no, cliff no damage I want, what's the name of that fucking ability? I know my flip real quick, I need to look at file location. Show script. Okay. I need to get the skill name on this one. I'm gonna disable that for now, just to confirm that disabling that works. build solution. Start client, yes, start client. Show client. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, knuckles popping. Okay, I'll probably end stream here soon. Like, I think there's only like 2 of you guys watching right now, so. Yeah, it says 3, but I think I'm one of them. Welcome back. Oh, have you played, have either of you guys played, Captain recently or no? The actual fuck? I was gonna say, did you notice the skill tree? I'm so confused right now. Okay. I'm gonna revert a bunch of these changes real quick. Right here. Okay. Let me double check that this fucking worked. Because I'm pretty sure it worked, right? Or was I hallucinating that? Build solution. Find server. Yeah, all the bomb skills are in the bottom list of the skill tree for Captain. They're just placeholders, but I want to reduce the number of bombs they have. Cliff hallucination underscore damage. It is indeed a thing. Yeah, I was thinking either 5 or 7, somewhere in that range. I think they need to keep low yielding firework. I think the bleed one's probably good to have. Oh, we might have gone over it. I don't have any notes on it. It might be buried somewhere in chat though. Yeah, spawn 1905. Cast this, cast this. The it even does the animation. Yeah, and it's right there. Switch skill ID. The actual fuck. Oh, I'm fucking retarded. I see. Let me know if you can see it. I didn't break. It's falling through. Yep. Let's see, and then I want Cliff underscore. God damn it. Cliff underscore skill. No damage. SRC. 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 Okay. Let's try this shit again. Failed build solution. Run server. I hate when I do shit like that. I might shift what skills are which, so I can change which hit kick animation it applies, because now I can do that now. Or maybe it might do the skill no. I might need to replace the I might need to replace this right here with just a message instead. But we'll see. Because that might actually interrupt the animation. Spawn 1905. Ah, it's just not saying it. Let's see. Okay, I need to get rid of that message. The find psychic message. Let's go ahead and close this. Hide RO. Show script. See, we'll get rid of that with actually tick plus 20. I'm gonna try this real quick before I go into let me try upping the tick. From 1 to 20. I was thinking about removing those actually. I'll yeah, I want to remove a bunch of stuff. Like, I don't want it to be an alternative playstyle, basically. I want it to be, yeah. Yeah, I definitely will. Do I have a design doc already? I don't know if I just did it in my head or if I just, I actually wrote a document for it. Pirate book. I do not have a doc for it at all. Yes, that was one of those things I was just like brainstorming. It's not that it's gonna have one play style, it's that there's not really room for it to be a main play style. I mean, it was still gonna be ranged, so it's gonna be your ranged play style, so it'll be safer in that sense. But I don't think it should out DPS the melee builds. Obviously, right now it's definitely not. I'll take a look at it in a minute. I don't want it to necessarily be as deep of a play style. That's all. I don't want you to have to go to if you go to bomb, you just can't do anything else. Put it that way. But you want to invest in bombs to invest in the bombs. Yeah, I'm more. And then I gutted it a bunch of times, but it actually did out DPS overall though. You can't even pretend it didn't because of AoE. It did not out single target DPS, but it definitely out AoE DPS'd. Boom, 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 boom. At spawn 1905. Yes, I know. Nice. Okay. Close. Build solution. Yeah, that's fair. Again, I have to pull up the entire tree again, or the thing. I remember I wanted to cut down on the, well, I guess it'd be this side for you. I wanted to cut down on this side, the skill tree down here, and then cut down on the bottom skill tree as well. So it wasn't like 50 points in order to get it. Oh, shit, I forgot to there. But instead it was like 30. I did some order operation changes, in case you didn't see. I moved the call of the no skill tick below. This is probably extra one right there. I was talking about for captain for the skill layout, and then for this, what I just did was for Starlighter, where I just switched the order of slightly. So hopefully the name is after it displays does the effect. No, I'm talking about current captain, I'm talking about bomb captain. So the bomb skill tree, I wanted to reduce the number of skill points in it. And so it's just crafting. I also considered getting rid of crafting completely. Ah, okay. Have fun, 1905, F9, click. There we go. That's what we wanted to see. I did it, folks. Are you proud of me? Okay. Oh, sorry. Yay, Warmth the Sun, blue numbers. Yeah, that's hacky as fuck, by the way. And I can use this same trick to change the animation, so. No, solar flares. Well, kinda. Let's go ahead and. The AoE does not. So if I do dink, 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 and the AoE just. I need to switch the AoE damage from skill damage to damage. So it doesn't do that thing over your head. How do I know? Oh, did I close Notepad? Apparently I closed Notepad. Gladiator. Yeah, I need to change some skills from cliff skill damage to cliff damage. Let me check skill damage real quick. I'll probably just do it right here, actually. Yeah. Okay, let me. I'll try it here. Cliff underscore damage. I spelled damage wrong. I spelled it right. Okay. Okay, find all references. Go ahead and AD display skill, cliff damage. God, this thing. How many times is this thing called? 83. Oh, Jesus Christ. A lot of these are going to be like those. Reflect damage. Structure. Yeah, I think what I'll do I just need to go through all these, all 83 of these, whatever. Circle of Fire, nope. Display skill, that's the at command. This is for water screen option. Skill cast damage, okay. That's where it is. Script skill effect. I'm still in script, never mind. Skill damage, get motion, stats fixed damage. This water thing again, elemental shield, celestial shock. I'm looking for the most generic one. Analyzer. What is that? Is that tick? With all these negative 30,000s? NPC. Cast in skill damage ID. Daily protection. If skill ID and skill ID is not daily protection, and skill ID is not magic, and it's not status immune, okay, so that is if magic damage, do the animation, like if you did the attack and just show a miss. Okay. Unknown skill used. Shaker. Earthquake detector. Deathbound. Skill area sub. Trample. Wind cutter, cannon sphere. Yeah, that's a bunch of specific skills again. I'm like halfway done. Skywind. Extremity fist. Fire rain, Crescent's blow. I have a jank idea in mind that I can fix it with, but I'd rather not do that. Default. Okay, there it is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is what I wanted. If I was looking for where it calls Cliff skill damage to replace it with Cliff damage. Yeah. specifically for things like case SG underscore solar flare attack. These are fall through, so I don't want to do those ones. Break. And then let's see, cliff underscore damage. I need D SRC comma BL comma tick comma DMG dot emotion comma DMG dot demotion motion comma damage comma DMG dot div div underscore type. Just write type right there. Damage 2 and SP damage. SP damage. And that's going to be a 0. So I need to find out pick a definition, damage type, same thing, skill IDs, we use those instead of that. And then we want to damage type, and then I don't want to consider this real quick. This can be 0, and this can be false. Okay. DMG. Do I actually want to? We don't want to apply a motion. Damage motion equals 0. And then we want to bring see DMG underscore normal. Pick a definition. Normal splash single We'll use endure so it doesn't trigger demotion and stuff. Okay. Divide. One. Okay. Let's try this. Close. Build solution. Okay, that built fine. That's a good start. Run server. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if this works, then I can make a bunch of skills. Not say their skill name, not have animation things. So, for instance, Shivering Wheel, Rewatch can probably do the same thing. So I didn't say Rewatch or Shivering Wheel every time you hit something. At least that's what this should be doing. And if this works, then I will call it a stream probably. I still have. This is what I'm doing here. Falling Star not hitting 3 times. I can fix that still. EFST, no information, and Blind's a passive skill. So these are the 4 issues I've seen so far. I'm currently working on number 4. Okay. Yeah, spawn 1905. Oh no, that's awful. That made it worse. No. Wait, no. Peak. Find references. Let's go ahead and. That made it way worse. Clip damage. Oh yeah, I can just get rid of the A motion as well. A motion will be 0. D motion will be 0. I think that's all I need. Build the solution. And then if I need to, I can always remove the... does it actually require? Oh, I'll find out in a second. Run server. Yep. I believe was intentional. Also, welcome. Oh, can it? I want to say no. I want to say I removed it, but I don't think it'll check. Give me the item ID real quick. It can be? Okay. I know I considered removing it at one point in time because crit overpowered. Okay. That's right. I nerfed the weapon level too, right? Or was it just the attack? Yeah, spawn 5. That didn't work. Try again. Find our references real quick. Yeah, I know Plat is significantly better. Is Plat still like second best in slot? Or at least early on? Yeah, also Scalpel's good too. Even after I nerfed it. Okay. -1. Build solution. Bum, 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 ba-da-dum. Build solution. I'm aware. How do they like Elemental Sword? Or can they even use it? I imagine it's still weak, but yeah, they could use it. Good. That's fair. Elemental Sword is level 3, okay. I was thinking that plus 10% damage on neutral. No, I figured it'd be bad, but I just thought I just had. Did that patch go through? Yeah, okay. Yeah, spawn, there's 5, F9, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's ignoring the definition. No. Let's see, Cliff 100 for damage. Does Cliff damage have a hit lock? Yeah, it returns lock delay, okay. See, pick a definition. It should return 0 if endure, or if damage is negative, okay. After damage is divide. -1. And peak definition. If I need to, I can always move this bit of code somewhere else. I have an idea where I can move it. Build solution. I can move it into skill damage instead of. You guys can't even see what I'm doing. Whatever. Server again. Start client. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Trying to fix this one goddamn thing so I can get off. Yeah, it's 12:30. And I'm hungry. I woke up at 10 p.m. last night, so. Sounds good, Monica. Yeah, exactly. I'm glad you understand, Noel. That's my kink. Are you here to shame me? Okay. Yeah, spawn 1905. It's not showing the damage, okay. That's definitely wrong. Close, 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 close. Okay, let's see. We will. Cut this. Okay, go to definition. Find all references. God damn it. Please stop, thank you. Okay. So an alternative I can do . is do this. Do? I don't remember which one this one's called. I'd take Cowboy. I honestly just need it to return 0 here. Pick it up mission. Return 0. Let's see. I don't know if this will work. Build solution. I'm literally just trying to remove the stupid name. I wonder what happened if I put skill 0. That might also be an option. Just for this part, return 0. I'll try that next if this one doesn't work. While that builds, I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. Coding. Start client, just start client. 512 406, that's on Mexico 5, 9, 1, 2, 3. Yep, okay, that doesn't work. Close, 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 close. 0. I have no idea what this will do. Build solution. Yeah, there's no notation on that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, yeah, sorry. Oh, client froze there. Because we're starting, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Map server not available. What? Oh, yeah, map server's not available though. Fucking A, come on. Oh. Got a message from Discord. Like, from Discord. Okay, yeah, spawn, 1905. F9, F1, 2, 3. It now spams exclamation points. God damn it. I want it to not cause delay, hit or walk delay. I have no idea. This is making my brain hurt. Okay, well, might as well switch, which animation do I want to use for each kick, then? Obviously jump kick needs to be Star Warm. Which animation do I want to use for each kick? So if I do... Yeah, so the tornado kick, animation, axe kick, roundhouse, counter, and flying. Those are my options, so... but for... No, okay, let me rephrase that. It can be done per skill, not per group of skills. Obviously... Yeah. So you want to do the little spiral thing? We have significantly more than 4 or 5, sir. Unless you mean we only have 4 these. In which case, yeah, we have 5, right? Yeah. Tornado, heal, round, counter, jump. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, we have 5 animations that we can choose from. No. TK underscore counter. TK underscore down. One. TK underscore turn. Kick. And TK underscore, I think it's Storm? Yeah, Storm. Just the sprite animation. Yeah, just the way your legs and stuff move. Yeah, so these are my 5 options. Obviously, yep, go ahead. Plus. And then we have the 9 kicks that you do go into. Let's see. On to the sideways kick. I went by your descriptions right now. Sideways, sideways. I forget which one's turn kick is. Okay. Please use their actual names, not Roundhouse Kick. Roundhouse is turn kick, right? Okay, I see. So we'll go. So we want Moon's Comfort will be Storm Kick. That's probably the only one that fits for that one. Yeah, that's fair. Turn kick. Us. Yeah, you can continue using in-game names. I'll translate them in my head. Based on the description, Sun, Warm, and Sun Anger should probably be either turn or counter. I'm actually playing with the kicks on my level as well. Let's see. All solar seems to be Roundhouse. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, come on. What's the chance of this fucking proccing? But the chances are fairly low. I already knew that. Because I'm not a type 1, so I don't get the bonuses. Stats to the kicks aren't actually corresponding anymore? I did just fine. Oh. Okay. Obviously that probably won't be fixed today, but go ahead and hide a row. Roundhouse stance. Yeah, okay, I see. It's doing the stance animation, but then not actually using roundhouse kick. Let me look at the duration. Doesn't look like it's giving me a duration. Once it triggers that, that's odd. Oh god. More combo shit breaking. I fucking hate combos so much. Okay. Off memory then. I'll make I'll read through the descriptions then. Sideways kick, so that's gonna be storm. Sideways kick, that's gonna be storm. Flames guide your kick. Didn't specify. I'll use down kick just so it's different. Oh yeah, sorry. Turn. You're right. Storm is the one we don't want. Like any of them. Yeah. Solar flare is not specified. Stinging heat of the sun escalates into a jet of fire, guiding your kick. That's not a falling into the sun with a spin kick. Another spin kick. Okay, so that would be storm then, right? Or roundhouse. Yeah. Solar flare would be spin the wheel. Turner storm. I'll also do storm. No, I'll do turn. I don't want to do storm again. I forget what's counter kick's animation. Do you remember? Zenith, I'll use. I don't know yet. Zenith's an upward kick. Oh, it's counters an upward kick. We already did moon, lunar cry, star's jump kick. Anger the star's upward kick, so that would be star anger would be counter kick. A falling star would be a downward kick, which is obviously down kick. What is Zenith? Did I delete Zenith? Case SG Zenith. There we go. Okay, so for the 3 transitional kicks, let's see what you wrote down. Kick upward, which would be counter. Spin kick. We'll use storm again for the transition as well. That way there's just 2 of storm. That way they're more evenly distributed. Yeah, 2, 2, 2. Obviously 1 on flying side kick. And then 5 on turn kick. Let's go ahead and see how this looks. Close. I can get rid of this solar flare thing. I'll figure that out later. There's nothing into the world that it shouts the name 1,000 times. I think it technically does cause some minor animation delay. Its fly does no animation, or as Yeah, it's flagged as a BL animation, so it works like a film, uh, shivering wheel. Also, I did not keep the knockback on solar. Should I put that back in or no? Because you don't actually specify. I don't think you specified. That's a big reason why he's not as overpowered in normally. Is it knocks back? And that would definitely reduce his power in versus non-MVPs, obviously. As well as being very defensive. What's up? What? What do we break? What do we break now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On 1905. Okay, let's see. I want this then. It flips the target. Let me go ahead and switch to Moon real quick. Hmm. National 5. Lunar Cry seem to have broke. Oh wait, no, that's correct. That's the AoE one. How does that look? At spawn 1905 10. That's funny. Yeah, I was waiting for the stars. That's why I was confused there. Yeah, Falling Star is still bugged, by the way. I don't know if you noticed. Definitely have to fix that. I'll just leave that note for now. I think I'm gonna call it. I'll fix. Other than these 4 things, and obviously I'm gonna switch out turn kick. Just I'm removing that. I'm not gonna that flip part. I don't want that anywhere. I'll just move melody counter. I'll do that. What's up? You don't lose your buff when you DC, so. Potentially. Potentially. There's no way of telling. Yeah. I wonder if Nitro knows a good fix for that. Might. Platinum Show, by the way, I did that intentionally. When was that implemented? Yeah, that was. It should have been. I'll have to take a look. Yeah, I'll have to take a look at that report. Post it in suggestions. Yeah, post that in suggestions, and then I can I'll remember to take a look at it. Let's see. Oh, thank you for the follow. You can't even hear the sound. Yeah, you can't even hear the sound of the music for me, at least. I think. Anything else you can think of on the top of your head, guys? Before I just call it a day. Particularly bug-wise for Star Gladiator. This skill works. I already tested that. It works. It just doesn't work because of it makes it passively blind you, which I don't want that to do. Yeah, the EFSTs don't have any information on them yet. That's polish. I'll do that tonight. Falling star not hitting 3 times. That should be easy to do. Actually, let me take a look at that real quick. Let's see that. It was Moon Comfort. Moon's Comfort. Final references. move that right there. It should not. Okay. Okay. What's that? Additional effects? Oh no, not Moon's Comfort. I just completely messed that up. It's not Moon I want, it's fucking Star I want. See final references. Yeah, this part's not working. I should be doing casting falling start 2 more times. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, that's one. Okay. Dude. And then if skill ID skill underscore ID equal Starglider's Comfort else if skill level is greater than 1. Skill level is greater than 2. Tab. 100. 200. Skill level and skill level. Especially anything else. Okay. Close, build solution. Oop, I see an error. Unexpected identifier. Successful, okay. That's a fake error that's caused by IntelliSense not loading properly. Yay. Okay, and then if it doesn't work, then I will have to figure out another way of doing it, but. Dagger counter is missing Buccaneer. Oh no. I'll post it in the Discord actually. All or Dissim. I want to know which one is all or Dissim. Because if it's all, it's gonna be a little more complicated. That's fun. 1905. See, do that, do that. Okay, no, it triggers a bunch. They're all stacking on top of each other, that's the problem. I probably need to replace the, yeah. But I need to replace with delay damage instead of instant damage. Yeah, add timer is what I wanted to do. Case RO_Omni Blade. Do not entire solution. Module references. That is not the entire solution. You dumbass game. Okay. And then I need SG underscore. What am I looking for? Oh yeah, SG underscore star. Stars comfort. Model references. Add RO. Don't need to put a plus open either. Okay. Okay. Times 2. Flag is SD level. And int type. Okay. Close, build solution. I'm just gonna call it a day here. I need to eat. Ugh, I'm fucking hungry. I will catch you guys probably tomorrow, actually. And then I'll probably do another coding stream on Friday, since I am off. I'm off. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday this week. Yep. Hopefully, patch will be out early tomorrow, rather than later. We'll see though. Let's see, ending stream. I'll let the song end, and then we'll dip. I don't think there's anybody I want to raid, so yeah, there's nobody I want to raid. By the way, Suna, welcome back again. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw the new event or not. Whatever. You'll see it tomorrow, if anything. Where's this song? Yeah, I'll give it a minute. Okay. Yep, thanks for tuning in. Okay, peace out.